Today I'm going to be showing you how you could swap two corners on the 2x2. Let's get started. So the corners I'm going to be showing you how to swap are these two and these two, which are the corners that you'll need if you're going to solve using Ortega method. So if you have a case where two of your corners are connected and you need to swap these two, hold the corners that are connected to each other on the back and hold your cube like this. So the algorithm you need to do is L prime, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R prime, D2, R2, and after you get that, you should have your corners swapped, and to solve it, you could just push it back to normal. Now for the case where you have to swap them diagonally. So you want to match up two of your corners. So I have this corner here and the other corner matched up here. And now all we have to do is swap these two corners and it solves the cube. So the algorithm to do this is R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime, D, and R2. And it solves the cube.